Hey everybody, welcome to Workshop Studios. This is me and my buddy, Mr. Bill. Say hi, Mr. Bill. No! Yeah, he's kind of a scaredy cat. Okay, what are we working on today? Well, it looks like we're working on the muffler on our mower. So we've already taken the cover off the mower. Now we're going to switch this muffler out, and it hooks into the engine here, comes down, and then this thing down here is the muffler. And there it is under there. So take a couple of bolts out, take this pan off, and then we're done. Well, got to put the new one on. So let's get started. Okay, so there's one of the nuts right here, or bolts, should I say, and the other one, and it uses this special wrench called an Allen wrench or a hex wrench. I've already loosened these up, so it makes it easy to show you. I can unscrew it here. There's one. The other one's down underneath here. I've already loosened it up as well. There we go. That's those loose. There's one right here, but let me get the heat shield out of the way, which you can't see me doing. Let me go down a little lower here. That's this one right here. And this one over here. There we go. Okay, that's the heat shield out of the way. And now we have one last bolt here. That's this one here. Take that off. Oop, the other ones. And there you are. Out comes the muffler. Hopefully. And there it is. But that is why it's so loud, because it is completely shot. So we're going to put a new one in there. Well, it's not quite the same as the old one. It's just off by a teensy bit. But I think I can squeeze it in there. So we're going to try and do that. It's kind of an older mower anyway, and I hate to send everything back. You can see down in here, it's not straight. See how it's at an angle like that going across there. But you know what? If it'll get on there and it'll keep the mower from being loud, then that's all that matters. So let me see if I can do that. Well, it went back together. The heat shield's on. It looks all right from down here, but you can see how it's crooked in there. And this pipe is just too far that way, and it's hitting this. But I was able to get the bolts back in, just kind of snugged them in. The only thing I can't do is hook this down. It doesn't line up, so I'm not going to bother with that. Let's see if we can get under there. This is supposed to be hooked in here, but I'm not going to bother with it. It should be just fine. So let's go try it out. All right, let's see how it sounds.